Hello everyone, Sam is here from my firstmagicwave.com. I'm making this a small video just to recap the weekly activities. All right, so let's get started. Just want to show you that what I teach in my webinar, different things. Among them is two different methods. Actually, I teach three, but out of three, the first one is involved like trendline, channel, and SNR levels, right? Second is Elliott wave. Third is harmonic patterns. Elliott wave and harmonic patterns are basically the same. So this one, Aussie index. Let me show you why it is very important to watch this index. Because if you can catch, let's say yen index, if you can catch the direction, the yen is gonna get it strong. Then you have like 6 or 7 pairs in yen, right? They're all gonna go down because the yen is on the right hand side in all the pairs. So you will have a pick and choose kind of situation that they're all gonna go down and choose the one moving faster, right? Fastest. So here, Aussie index, I said, well, this is a harmonic pattern. Gertley was in place and it will go down. I did another study the same time and I found that, let me show you, this was the thing. You see, Elliott wave count. Well, I mean, 1, 2, 3. This was 3 and in the bottom here. It's not showing here. Right. So this was, I said, okay, if we stop here, then it could be wave 4 and then we will drop for wave 5. So Elliott wave count and harmonic pattern both showing two setups and both showing to the downside. So Aussie index is going to go down. All right. So if index goes down, Aussie index, then the Aussie currency individually will get weaker. Okay. So if the Aussie gets weaker, all the pairs that Aussie has on the right hand side will go up. And you all know that I love these two pairs where the Aussie is on the right hand side, pound Aussie and Euro Aussie, because when they move big time. So I said, okay, if the Aussie is going to get weaker, then let's see if we can find any setup in Euro Aussie and pound Aussie. So Euro Aussie, what I found was this. Okay, at the same time when that happened. So I said, okay, from here, you see this 44.41 and the TL. This is the area we were bouncing. And then we have different numbers, 45, 56, this, 47.01, 48, and final number was 53.28. Okay, so that was my target, 53.28 here for the week. What really happened? You can see here, we finished the week of the 7th May. 2 weeks later, we are at that area, 53.28. And doing that, we went through, I see all those my trades, see, all of those trades, right? So we nice and clean went to that area, 53.28 in Euro Aussie, knowing that Aussie index was helping us, right? And then now pound Aussie. Let me show you. And by the way, this is what happened to this Gertley is still coming down, right? And that 4-hour chart, the Elliott wave count, and this is the final chart as of today. So nicely straight drop from there, and we have a lot to go, lot more to go to the downside. Okay. Now, similarly, if we consider that pound Aussie, I had a nice setup there. I mentioned we're gonna go from here to here, or maybe this number. This was the final target here. Second, the first target would be this. Second would be this, and this channel TL will be coming in the way. If we go slanted, if we can go straight, we could have gone here, right? Straight to the TL and the horizontal level. Look what happened. On this one, we went straight hit to this corner here, this 96.86 and the TL. Here, my final target was 91.78, but we went all the way to 96. Not the final target. I wrote it down here, but when we were going to the upside, I should have right, but I didn't. But it was like this number 83, then 86, then 88, then 91, so on and so forth. But finally, we got the target exactly. All this happened, hundreds of pips, hundreds, and in fact, we are going into thousands of pips between these two pairs. Let's see from here. This is 83. We end up at 96. So 1,300 pip here, and then another 1,000 maybe euros. So that's what I'm talking about. So if you know just one index chart, and that helped these two move that much. Okay. So now You have yen index, USD index, pound index. So, I do all that study, and not only I do it, but I teach in my webinars. I teach in my webinars, and these setups, it's not for me. I'm showing you the chart, So I teach how to do it and how to predict the way I do. And in no time, if you really want to learn, it's very easy. It's, just to have, put your interest into it. That's all. And then you can have, all these pips. Let me see if I can show you this. This is Aussie, EUR-AUD, pound-AUD, pound-AUD. See this pound-AUD, the way I went over this, look at this, long trades. All of these, I'm going backwards. It's like 29th April. This is the 6th, and some of them I didn't even record. See, going up, everything going up, uh, um, going up. See that? It's going up. This is how. If you know what it is, it's very easy. So now we are at these locations, and I already made my before charts, and I'm gonna send it to my subscriber. Like I said, that I don't even send, not only send them, but I also do the webinar before, like today, Saturday, right? Yeah. So maybe tomorrow or Monday, I'm gonna do the webinar and explain those charts. The week is starting, and what to do with that. So when really, trade setups comes in, you can take these trades and all those hundreds and thousands of pips. Okay, so this is it. What's happening? But similarly, I have other index and other charts, but just want to show you a little bit that just based on Aussie index. Similarly, what happened is Aussie yen is dropping big time. I had a setup; it's been dropping. I know what it is, where it is going. Okay, and so on and so forth. Another Aussie USD. I said last webinar, I said it's going to drop big time. It is dropping. Okay, so this is it for now. And if you like what you saw, you want to learn all of this and be a part of it, or get my analysis chart if you don't have time to do the analysis and really learn. At least if you know that the next week or two this pair is going to go up or down, then you can only trade in that direction and you can never lose. Even if the pair goes, if you don't if you use some other strategy, not mine, not my magic IB, and if you don't use even SL level, stop loss, then still, if you open a trade, trade goes against you 30 pip, 40 pip, 50 pip, let it go, because you know that it's going to go up 1,000 pip. So how far is going to go against you? It's going to turn around and then go in your direction anyway. So that's the key in this business, right? So go on my website, myforexmagicwave.com, subscribe, and I'll send you the whole package. Okay, a zip folder, and you can with the EA and the indicator and everything, and the videos. Learn how to do this, how to do that. You have everything there, the whole package. And start setting up the charts. Then it's weekend now, Saturday, Sunday, and from next week start trade the way I just showed you. Okay, so this is it for now. Thanks for watching. Have a great day and a great weekend. Thanks. Bye.